Jamil, where's your big brother?
I don't know, Dad. Maybe Brother Faizan has gone towards his friends? Why are you asking that?
Just for information. I didn't see him at home, so that's why I asked.
Oh, Dad, I forgot it. He told me he's going towards Muzammil and Mudassir for group study.
That's nice. It's a good thing. In group study, everyone shares his own and different opinion, and everybody asks questions from each other about their opinions. So, in that way, you can easily study any topic clearly. I suggest you to do group study with your friends, like your brother.
Yeah, Dad, you are right. But I feel comfortable in studying alone. Everybody has its own nature. But every day in the class, we just discuss whatever we have studied in previous day.
Well done, my son. You are doing great also. What about your results? When you will get the results?
I think in the last of July, Dad.
What do you think? How much your percentage will be?
Dad, I don't believe on percentage. According to my point of view, for success, we have no need of percentage. We have to just make ourselves able for the thing in which we want to get success.
Why are you saying that?
Actually, Dad, I'm in soccer board and it's very corrupt board. In this board, nobody can get good percentage without bribery or requesting somebody.
That's right. But nowadays, for being successful, we have need of percentage. No any college will give you admission without good percentage.
Dad, my exams were wonderful. I hope that I will get above 80 percentage.
I hope so, my son.